Hello student, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare as a science teacher of class 7th. So dear student, today we start chapter 6 physical and chemical change is a part 1. Let me start for the change for the chemical and physical. So dear students, every day we come across the many changes that are taking place all around us. So these change may be involved one or more substance. Sometimes milk becomes pure. Shoring of the milk is the change. The making a sure of the solution is a change. Similarly, sitting of the curd from the milk is a change. Some changes that we have noticed around us are melting of ice, making of ice cream. Some changes that we have the notice around us are the melting of ice, making of ice cream. So melting of the bags, stretching a rubber band, evaporation of water, cutting of paper, breaking of glass, bending of glass tube by heating, boiling of water, formations of the complex etc. Broadly, these the change are of two kinds. So first one is physical change and second one is a chemical change. Two kinds of change, physical change and chemical change. Physical change. In a physical change is a substance undergoes the change only in its physical properties, undergoes of the only physical properties such as the shape, size, color, and state. And now new substance is formed. First, we saw the perform some activities to show that the physical change that are taking place all around us are characteristic of the physical change. So first one is a physical change or temporary change which can be easily reversed to form the original substance. Easily reversed to form the original substance in such as the change no new substance is formed. Thus we noticed that the important characteristic of the physical change are followers. Thus we noticed that the important characteristic of the physical change are followers. No new substance is formed in this the change. No new substance is formed in this change. So it is a temporary change and is the generally reversible. Generally reversible, a temporary change in color may take place. Very little energy, heat, etc. is either the observed or involved. And a chemical change, second one is a chemical change. Chemical change are also called the chemical reaction. A chemical change occurs when two substances react chemically to form a new substance with the different chemical properties. Chemically to form a new substance with the different chemical properties. All the new substance which we use in various fields of our life or produced as a result of chemical change or chemical reaction. All the new substance which we use in various fields of our life are produced as a result of chemical change or chemical reaction. A change with the a change with which we are quite familiar is the rusting of iron. Almost every iron object keep in the open gets rusted slowly. It acquires a coating of a brownness substance. A coating of brownness substance is called rust and the process is called rusting. This process is called rusting. We can usually see iron gates of the park of farmlands, iron benches kept in lawn and the gardens. Almost every articles of iron kept in the open gets rusted. The agricultural tools such as the seed drill and the soil will also get the rusted when exposed to the atmosphere for some time. In the kitchen, a big in the kitchen, a wet iron pan, it's called the tawa, often the gets rusted if left in that the state for the some time. Rust is the not iron. Rust is a not iron. It is the different form of iron on which it gets deposits. Which it gets deposits. So now we solve the perform some activities to show the chemical change where new substances are formed. When the baking soda NaHCO3 react with the vinegar with contain the acetic acid, carbon dioxide comes out which is a turn lime water milky, therefore it is a chemical change. When the baking soda react with the vinegar with the contain the acetic acid, carbon dioxide come out which turn lime water milky, therefore it is a chemical change. In all these the activities we saw that is the each change one or more new substance are formed. When the magnesium ravine was burned, the S was the new substance formed. As was the new substance of formed, the reaction of copper sulfate with the iron produced to new substance. Iron sulfate and copper vinegar and baking soda together produced carbon dioxide which turned the lime water so all those the changes in which one or more new substance formed are called chemical change. These are the permanent change which can usually not be reversed to form the original substance. These are permanent change which can usually not be reversed to form the original substance. In addition to the new product, the following may be accompany a chemical change. Heat, light, or any other radiations of ultraviolet ray may be given of observed. A change in smell may take place or a new smell may be given off. A color change may take place, a gas may be formed. A chemical change in our daily life. A chemical change in our daily life. Chemical change are very important in our life. So indeed the every new materials is discovered by studying the chemical change. If metal is to be the excreted from or such as the iron from iron are we need to carry out a series of chemical change. Medicine is the end product of a chain of chemical reaction. Important and useful new materials such as the plastic and detergent are produced by the chemical reaction. Medicine is the end product of a chemical reaction. Important and useful new materials such as the plastic and detergent are produced by chemical reaction. Let us consider some more examples of chemical changes. We saw the form, the activities that burning of magnesium ribbon is a chemical change. Burning of coal, wood or leaves is also a chemical change. Burning of coal, wood or leaves is also a chemical change. Burning of coal, wood or leaves is also chemical change. In fact, burning of any substance is chemical change. Burning is always accumulated in the productions of heat and light. An explanation of a firework is also a chemical change which the produced heat, light, sound and unplacement gases that is the pollute the atmosphere. An explanation of the firework is also a chemical change which produce heat, light, sound and unplacement gases that the pollutes the atmosphere. When when food gets spoiled, it produces a fuel the smell. This so that the new substance have been the formed in the spoiled food which has a full smell, so the spoilage of food is a chemical change. So the spoilage of the food is a chemical change. We, we cut an apple into the slice and keep in the open for the some time. We will find that the cut surface of apple acquire a brown color. This change in color is due to the formation of the new substance by the action of oxygen. So this change in the color is the chemical change. So this changes in color is a chemical change. Similarly, the cut surface of the potato or the brinjal turn black on the keeping in air for some time due to the chemical change. In the process of the digestion, the various food materials break down to form a new substance which can be observed by body. So the process of digestion is a chemical change. The process of digestion, the various food materials break down the form new substance which can be observed by the body. So the process of the digestion is a chemical change. So dear student, today's topic is complete, and the next slide or the next topic we start. So complete your work and send me. Thank you.